Good morning everyone. I am Akansha Avinash Kodalkar from grade 6. I am going to tell you today's day and date. The day is Monday and the date is 10th March 2025. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Savitribai Phule from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you today's thought for the day. Today's thought is feminism isn't about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives that strength. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha Patel from grade 6.
This is Agam Sogle from grade 6th.
I am Viral Bhoje from grade 6.
I am Vitrak Patil from grade 6th.
We are going to tell you about importance of the day. We are observing the death anniversary of Savitribai Phule.
Savitribai Phule was a Indian social reformer and poet and the first female teacher in India.
She is known for founding the first school for girls in Pune.
Now let's talk about the contributions of Savitribai Phule. She worked towards the upliftment of women and the marginalized communities. She has conquered not only in education for girls but also in poetry and writings.
Talking about Savitribai Phule legacy, she laid the foundation for women's education in India, and her work in fighting untouchability and caste determination had the lasting impact on society.
Now let's discuss about Savitribai Phule's impact on society. Her efforts changed the way of women were viewed in society, pushing for equality and independence.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to emphasize on promoting equality, empowering women through education, and fight against discrimination.
On this day, let's honor Savitribai's legacy by working towards a society of equality, education, and justice for all.
May
Her work continues to inspire us every day. Thank you.